In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by street address on Zillow desktop. Let's get started right from your computer. Open your preferred web browser and go to Zillow.com. Once the home page loads, look toward the top of the page. You'll see a prominent search bar. This is where all the action happens. Click into the search bar and type the full street address you're looking for. That means the house number, the street name, and either the city and state or the zip code. Including the city and state or zip code is important because it helps Zillow narrow your search precisely, especially if there are streets with the same name in different areas. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass icon to run the search. Here's what happens next. If Zillow has a listing or record for that specific address, it will take you straight to the property details page. This page typically includes the price if the home is for sale, a gallery of photos, and a Zestimate, which is Zillow's estimate of the home's value. You'll also see the address at the top and a map showing the exact location. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right place by checking the address and scanning the photos and map pin. If Zillow doesn't find an exact match, don't worry. Instead of a single property page, you may see a map view centered on the general area you entered, along with a list of nearby listings. This means Zillow didn't recognize the address as a specific property, but it did understand the location and is showing you relevant results nearby. To improve your results, double-check the formatting of your search. For example, try switching between abbreviations and full words, est and street, or ave and avenue. Small changes like these can help Zillow match your entry to the way the address is stored in its database. Also make sure the city and state or the zip code are included, as that added detail often resolves close matches. If you're still not seeing the exact property, use the map view to zero in. You can zoom in and out with the plus and minus controls and click and drag to pan around the neighborhood. As you zoom closer, the map will reveal more pins and labels, making it easier to spot the exact location manually. Keep an eye on street names and nearby landmarks to confirm you're in the right area. That's it. With these steps and a few formatting tweaks, you can quickly search by street address on Zillow and find the property you need.